Oh, first we've got Amanda, who's coming out in the white, and then Kenya joining us with the teal. This is a tee that is 28 inches in the length. It is really beautifully detailed. The subtlety of the monotone embroidery is what makes this one stand out to me. It's not glaring and in your face. See how pretty that is with the little shirt tail and scalloped hemline, side slits. It is non-stretchy, so if you're busty, you may want to bump it up a size. We have, in addition to the deep teal and the white, we have it in copper. There's also a red and a blue indigo. Look at the red. It's like a really pretty corally based red.
Very coral, yeah. So that coral is definitely, I wouldn't call it a red. I would definitely call it more of a coral. This is, of course, the blue that you see here. The copper is what I actually have on. I've paired it back to our brand new kimono that we just launched with today. You can see how cute it goes back and forth with each other too. It really coordinates really, really well. By the way, the capris that I have on are also Curations too. Those are coming up in a minute. Look at how great that looks with the wide leg draws pant. This is easy, this is breezy, and we're calling it a t-shirt, but I want you to understand this is not t-shirt material. This feels much more silky on the body. So it's a t-shirt style of cut because it has the crew neck, because it has those t-shirt type sleeves. Now what it also does though, that's a little bit different than a t-shirt, is it actually comes out a little bit wider and has the side splits here on the side. So it's much more forgiving in this center area than what a lot of t-shirts are, because a lot of t-shirts, especially with those kind of materials, when you get in here, what does it do? It hugs the portions that we don't necessarily want it to hug. With this, as you can see, it just flows right over the top, and those side splits really make it really nice and easy to be able to wear with a lot of different things.
I do believe I misspoke, because there is some spandex in this, so it does have a slight stretch.
There's a little bit of stretch in there. There absolutely is a little bit. And then, of course, this is that tonal embroidery that you're getting here that we can expect from Curations, because they do a lot of true embroidery. Look at how gorgeous this neck is, though. So it has that scalloped neck here and the scalloped edging across the bottom. Then across the back, I want you to see it's nice and smooth, but it has a little bit of a lace edge there on the hem too. So it coordinates right back to the front on all of the edges. You know what I love about this, Callie, is so many times we need a t-shirt style shirt. We want to put it on with a pair of capris, we're running around, it's hot, we might want to match it back to a pair of shorts. But then what happens when we take pictures, all of a sudden we meet a girlfriend for lunch and we're doing selfies and we're putting them all over Facebook or Instagram, what happens? Nobody sees the cute part of the outfit because we're sitting behind a table. And so you might have gotten a plain solid shirt to go with those shorts, but the shorts are hidden. With this, you have that plain solid shirt, but yet it's cute because it has that embroidery on there, so it still brings some life to the party.
Very, very subtle detailing. That's what I think is most impressive. Taking a quick last look at the deep teal, and again, we have it in black, copper, white, red, or blue indigo, length being 28 inches. It is a pullover style, and it's easy to care for. Machine wash, line dry, or dry flat. 638-872, I want to get you the info on the skinny cropped jean from Curations. It is available.